Hello, my dear students, and welcome to this session. Now, this is a very important and necessary session. So, everybody's here. Am I audible and visible? Yes, I am audible and I am visible. So, who all are here? We have Radhika Mittal, we have Prerna Rajput, the regular student that we have. So, our regular students have come to this particular session. So, today I am going to answer many of your questions. So if you have any questions, you are going to get the answers to those questions. My name is Anoop Vashishtha. I'm an MSc in chemistry from University of Delhi. 26 years and more is my teaching experience. So let's talk about the strategy that we are going to follow. Clear cut strategy. So everybody is here already? And why does it show even 3 waiting at this moment as well? 3 waiting नहीं है अब तो सारे के सारे सेशन स्टार्ट हो चुका है. Hello, beta. We have Radhika, we have Tirthraj, we have Priyanshu, we have Prerna. So all our regular students are here. Have you shared this session with your friends? So that would be a nice session. Okay. So chaliye aaj hum let's we talk about the strategy that we are going to talk about. And now the strategy I'm going to first of all tell you what the strategy would be. Okay. So the very first strategy. We are going to go very systematic and we are going to talk about. सबसे पहले तो बात करेंगे. Let us say we talk about what are the books that we are going to refer to. Of course, the books are going to be extremely important. We are going to talk about the books, which books we are going to use. Now, when we talk about the books we have is NCERT. We are going to use NCERT book and we are going to use the old NCERT for the chapters which are not present. Old NCERT for missing chapters. And that is 2022 NCERT. I have it and I'm going to share it with you as required. Okay. Then we are going to use the new NCERT for rest of the chapters. Now, the new NCERT has additional information as compared to the old NCERT. So, new NCERT will be used wherever it is required or wherever it can be used. Prerna, you can easily download the new NCERT so we can use that also. Okay, so we are going to use the old NCERT, we are going to use the new NCERT as per the requirement. Then, all theoretical questions will be done. And that's what we are going to use, we are going to do. Okay, and all theoretical questions, we have the NCERT reading as well that we are going to do. Okay, each and every chapter we are going to use the NCERT reading. We are going to do all the concepts from the NCERT. We are not going to miss even a single line of NCERT. Ritik, beta, if you want to read the module, then in that case it has to be after NCERT. First, you have to read the NCERT, you have to understand NCERT, and my sincere suggestion is that you attend my classes so that you will be able to understand NCERT thoroughly. That is going to be extremely important. Okay? Anyone who has not liked the session as yet? Okay? I'm not going to stop you from reading any book. I'm not going to stop you from solving any questions. What I'm saying is you have to solve NCERT first. That is it. Okay? So NCERT reading will be done for each and every chapter, each and every section. We are going to do the NCERT reading. We are going to do all theoretical question of NCERT by writing. Okay. We'll make notes in class. We are going to make all the notes in the class and we are going to go very slow. But finish the course very fast. Can you understand? Within a few days, 2 or 3 days, or we finished off with electrochemistry in 3 days. We finished electrochemistry in 3 days. Remember that. It's a very long chapter. So 3 days we have finished off with electrochemistry. 2 days we have finished with the gaseous state, the states of matter. 2 days we took. Okay. So although we are going very slow in detail, we are finishing off the chapters very fast. Ritik, I would not be knowing by name, isn't it? Yeah. So we are going to go very slow and therefore we are going to finish off the course very fast. That is the most important thing about it. Okay. And what is it? Hmm. Fine. So that is what we have to understand. We are going to go very slow and we are going to finish off the course very fast. And we are going to use the NCRT. We are going to use the do NCRT thoroughly. And in addition to that, we are going to do all questions of Exemplar, all chapters. And as you very well know, we are doing the NCRT Exemplar also. Ritik, if you are in 12th class, then I believe we are going to finish off the syllabus of 12th class as far as CBSE is concerned before December. And if you are in 11th class, we are going to take a little bit time, maybe till February, because 11th class is a bit difficult, okay, for 11th students as well. What about PYQs? Siddharth saying this is what we have as all questions of exemplar, all chapters, and we have tests for all chapters PYQ, and that is going to be in the special classes. So we have the special classes, we have the YouTube sessions, and we have the plus courses that is going to go along with each other. They are going to complement each other, they are going to benefit each other. So that is what we are going to do. Ritik, we have the 11th course and the 12th course that is beneficial for the dropper students, but we do not have an exact, what we can say, specific course. But this is an elite batch that we are talking about. There are only few students. As you can very well see, there are only 7 students in this session at the moment. So this is an elite batch. This elite batch we are going to take care of. And here, most important, it's going to be individual attention. It is individual attention because it's a very small batch. Well, I won't say that I tried to make a small batch, but it so happened that it has become a small batch. And because of that very small batch, it is absolutely individual attention. I know each and every student what they are doing. Munna Kumar, no. The time of special class is in the evening. Okay. And PYQ gives us a direct question. No, we do not get the PYQ direct question, but we do get a direct question from NCRT. So NCRT, we get direct questions. Okay. We do get direct questions from NCERT. We do not get the direct questions from PYQs. Munna Kumar, you are not attending my classes. What happens? You are not attending the theory classes. Where are you? What are you doing at that time? Aman Hussain, you are not in the class. Less the student, the better. You don't attend the class. Today also you are not in the class. Okay, what okay, Munna Kumar? What okay? You are not able to understand the class? Or you are attending some other class? Or you are wasting time? Why are you not in the class? Why are you not attending the class every day? Well, less the student, the better is not the good opportunity. because if less students are there, then in that case, I might not be able to. Okay, so we are going to do all the exemplar questions. We are going to do the test for all the PYQs. We are having the special classes, and we have a huge number of questions on a specific website. Only two people have joined that website. The other people have not joined the website. Why do you have not joined the website? I don't know. Tirthraj, you also have not joined the website. Aman, Ritik, Munna Kumar, Siddharth Singh, Radhika, you also have not. Only Priyanshu and Pratik. There are two people who have joined the session. Rest, they have not joined that particular website. So tomorrow I will attend your class. Okay, welcome. Internet problem. Okay, Prerna, you have joined. Then I will give you an access to all those questions. Okay, so that is one thing. And it is going to be experiments, and we are going to have visual aids. Visual aids. Tirthraj, I believe I have shared the website with you. Go to the WhatsApp group. I have shared the website with you. Artist Kunal, you first of all have to attend the classes. You are not attending the classes. How are you going to benefit by joining any of the website? You are not going to join and you are not going to attempt the questions. So there is no use joining the website if you are not ready to attempt the questions. Prerna, you have not, uh, uh, what I should say, verified your email ID. Okay, I have confirmed it without verifying your email ID. So we have Dr. Vivek, we have Kushi, we have Prerna. These are the people who have joined further. It's difficult to find. It looks so small. I had difficult to find. I found, but access nahi ho raha. You will get the access right now. Okay, so we are going to use visual aids also. You have got the access. Okay, and then you can attempt the questions here. There are so many questions for so many classes, so many subjects. You can go ahead and join. Okay, Radhika, I'm going to resend the link. Sent. So the link is with you. Okay, now there are very few students in this particular class, so they can attend these classes. So we are going to use visual aids. We are going to use the models. We will be using models. We are going to use the experiments. We are going to use everything. And I have all those things with me. We have the models. We have the sessions. We have everything with us. Okay, that is the website address. Use this website address which is written in the chat and you can join. So these are the things which we are going to have, which we are going to do. So we are going to use the expert practice objective questions and we have huge number of questions. We are going to use NCRT Exemplar. We are going to use NTA mock test. We are going to use full length papers. We are going to use topic wise previous questions. Everything that is going to be used. And these are the books that you are going to refer to. We are going to use NCRT 11th class, 12th class, Exemplar. That is the books which we are going to use. Okay. Somebody please tell the group to Ritik. Okay. Now, what you can do is your NCRT has the QR codes. You can scan these QR codes, and these QR codes will lead you to the various other resources of NCRT. And please remember, in this QR codes, you will be able to get the exemplar also. This exemplar is available through the QR code. So go ahead with the reference material. Okay. Join my Telegram group. I believe you can join the Telegram group at least, where you are going to get the information about all the classes. Okay. Fine. You can ask my phone number from the students and you can search my phone number as well. Yeah. So we are going to use exemplar. And now we are going to talk about how to read the NCRT. We are going to start from the very basics through thoroughly read NCRT, read it one time and another and then another. We are going to do all the text, diagrams, captions, summary, points to ponder, tables, everything we are going to use. And that's what we have been using. Okay. Prerna, you won't be able to give the group. You can give my phone number to them. Okay. They can send the WhatsApp, then I'm going to give the link to the group. Okay. So we are going to do the exemplar also. We are going to do subjective and objective questions. And also we are going to read the NCRT lab manual. That also I have. So NCRT lab manual can also be responsible for some questions. And we are going to do previous year questions. And we are going to do everything. So I'm not asking you to do anything. I'm going to make you do everything. Is it clear? Organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry. We are going to do all of these things. And you have to read the NCRT extra carefully. You have to understand the mechanism and exceptions, named reactions, and you have to practice them all. And we are going to make you practice it. So just don't miss the class. The class is every day at 4 p.m. and the class is a long one. Is it clear? Fine. But we are not going to go into any other extra books. See, we are, yeah, you can share it, Prerna. Clear? And whoever is not like the session, go ahead and like the session. You have to like the session. Now, you have to keep calm and study chemistry, and you can understand that we are going fast enough. We don't need to go faster than this. This much is fast enough. Am I clear with that? Okay. Chemistry is confidence. Inorganic chemistry contains lot of direct question. Every question, in fact, is a direct question. And if we talk about a detailed analysis of 2023 papers, this detailed analysis of 2023 papers simply tells us that the chemistry paper is absolutely direct paper. Okay. Complete paper from NCERT. The entire paper is thoroughly from NCERT. Thank you, Devakar. Anybody has any kind of question here? Any kind of questions here? Any details you would like to ask? Any explanation you would want? And whoever is not liked, go ahead and like it. Yes, I'll be interacting through you through group. And you can join our Telegram group, you can join our WhatsApp group, and you can join us through the chat. Okay? Anyone has to ask anything? And quite obviously, we are going to start the plus courses also. Joe, the people who want the plus kind of thing, you can join us. We'll having only small batches. How do I manage my board studies and NCRT? Your board studies is NCRT, Prerna. Boards is NCERT. Why do you need to manage it? You prepare for your boards, you prepare for your NEET examination, and that's it. Where is the problem in it? Hmm? NEET 2023 paper out of NCRT? Who told you that? Give me one question which was not from NCRT. One. I'm not asking many. Just one question which is not from NCRT. Likha Nana? People would go to any extent to confuse others. They don't have any substance, they don't have any proof, they simply would say something and then other person needs to clarify it. I can actually share with you the entire paper, and this entire paper was from NCRT. P block elements बाहर से था? Which question? P block elements is a chapter of NCRT. बाहर से कहां से आ गया? Which question are you saying? I'll give you the exact line and page of NCRT from where the question was there. Are you talking about the helium question? That helium question was from NCRT. बेटा, अगर आपके कोचिंग वालों ने गलती की थी उसकी जिम्मेदारी मेरी तो नहीं है ना, और वो जिम्मेदारी फिर एनसीईआरटी की भी नहीं है. अब अगर आपको बाहर से पढ़ाया गया तो व्हाट कैन आई डू? अब आपको एनसीईआरटी नहीं पढ़ाई गई. आई डोंट नो विच कोचिंग यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, but NCERT you have to do, and that is going to get you 180 on 180. And we are going to do the NCERT in thoroughly detail, real thorough detail. Clear? Yes, you can log in. Prerna, you have not yet logged in. Yes, you have logged in 1 minute 55 seconds ago. Piyush has logged in 10 hours 28 minutes ago. Priyanshu has logged in 1 hour, 1 day, 4 hours ago, and Dr. Vivek and Kushi Hazari have not logged in as yet. Okay, then. Anybody has any kind of other doubts? Likha Nana beta, I don't know what's your actual name, but I would suggest that if you are taking a drop, then in that case you attend my classes and I'll make sure that you get 180 on 180. But quite obviously, you'll have to do hard work. That is a must. Munna Kumar, there is a website address. You have not joined even the WhatsApp group. You have not done anything. You are not serious. You are not serious to study with me. So it's your wish. Okay. You are not attending the YouTube classes. So I can't help it. Anyway, so that's what we have to tell. So you can unlock our biggest offer on Plus courses. You are going to get 25% on all Plus and the store subscriptions. Use the code AV Live and join with us. Iconic Mega Sale Week is here. 15 plus 25 is there. So it's a huge, huge benefit. Botany is every day 2 p.m. Zoology is every day at 3 p.m. and chemistry is every day at 4 p.m. Okay? Join the Telegram channel, Neet Elixir by Unacademy. Is this clear? But am I leaving my classes? Am I leaving the students? My loyalty is to the students, and I don't leave the students in between. Okay? If I left an institute, I finished off my course, then I left. If I left another institute, I left, finished my course, and then I left. I didn't leave the students in between. Okay, Mohammed Abedullah Ansari, have I answered your question? I didn't leave any course in between. Okay? And at this time, we are having the course perfectly nicely. Okay? So you can join with us. So this is the Unacademy app which you can download and join with using the code AVLive. Unacademy.com/Anoop Vashishtha is my address on Unacademy. And here I have it. Clear? So whoever has not liked the session, please like the session. Subscribe to the Neet Elixir channel. And I hope you have got the answer to how you are going to get 180 on 180. Thank you. Any other questions that you have? And Muhammad Abdullah Ansari, Abaidullah Ansari, if you are sorry to ask a question, don't ask it. I encourage asking questions because I have answer to those. Fine. And if you really want to ask me this question, it would be better if you ask me on the personal chat. Bye bye. We are going to meet in the next class, that is tomorrow at 4 p.m. and I'll try to have another class before that. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Mr. Abdullah Ansari, now if you are informing me that you are in second year MBBS and you watched my lecture and scored 168 in Chem, then why you have a grudge against me? How does it make a difference to you or any other student? I am ethical. I have not ditched any student. Okay, fine. Did I leave you in between? No, I didn't. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.